Zack's been wanting the roof one for a while. Finally, a roof
When it
one.
rains, we can go in the inside car.
We wanted the inside car.
We've got a car with a roof on. Woohoo!
Woohoo! I think it might rain, Mummy. You can got the roof on.
Gotta steer. Don't want to crash.
No, okay, it's not just like
You know, he's not silly.
yeah, that's why it's got the rain on.
I thought it was Zoe Zebra at the zebra crossing. Have they changed it? Am I mistaken, Lise?
I don't know actually.
Maybe they've given her a makeover.
We have got Susie Sheep.
Zack, has it always been Susie Sheep or was it Zoe Zebra last time?
Right, let's smile with this camera.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, smile for the camera. Let's get this right this time. I can't see how it's going to be good knowing the roof's in the way.
You saw the engine.
Oh, it's gone red. No, we don't want to go for... Oh, that's lucky, Zack. We nearly went for a red light there. Are we going to stop for this zebra crossing?
No, it's still going. You're not moving.
Susie Sheep. Can you press some buttons? Going back to the station. We're going in the red helicopter. You're going to go in the front? Look, because you can take the controls if you go in the front. Lots of buttons.
Oh, this is comfortable.
Oh, Zack, I love the buttons. You got to take that stick, and we're going to fly the helicopter.
Let's stick off.
Oh my God! Here we go! Woohoo! You're going to see everything from up here. The whole of Peppa Pig World.
I can see everything.
It looks amazing.
I've got a seatbelt for that one.
So does that handle move?
Yeah. No.
You can see everything from up here.
Don't drop your camera, otherwise you get no.
I could see the balloon ride. I could see Mr. Skinny Legs on the roof. I could see the Windy Castle Tower ride. We're at the top of the wheel. Imagine a train goes past there, you can be able to see the barriers go down. So grab the controls, grab the controls. That's it.
What's the holding?
Whoa. Let's go find the balloon ride. Go on then, Zack, you lead the way. Go, go, go. Do you know how to get on it? That's it, yeah, you got it. Oh man. How fast can you spin the balloon ride, Zack? Oh, here we go. Yeah. Is it spinning now? Let's try and go this way.
Keep on giving.
It's a cool Peppa Pig World from up here. All aboard for the balloon ride.
How about the car one? This is
Whoa.
what
So fast. It's a great slide, isn't it? I like the it's quite steep at the end there. don't think I could fit in these tubes. Well, should we try and get in there?
Yes.
I think Daddy's too big. Oh my god. Where do you go through there? Daddy's too big to fit up here. Well, what's this? Is this a fire engine? Oh, Zack, go in the fire engine. There's a glass floor here. Whoa, let's go in the fire engine. That looks great.
And you can turn them steering wheel. You get out. You get out.
Oh, okay, get out.
Show
Where
them.
next?
We could go down the slide.
Right, remember this slow. Zack, wait for me. Zack, wait for me. Zack, wait. Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Hold it in front. Steady.
I can use a
Now where? Zack, can you go all the way to the top?
You've got to tell me when you're about to go down.
Hey, oh my god, you came flying out of there.
Ho, 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 ho.